But you are representing him. I thought he speaks through you. Is this personal statement purely personal, or is it about this case?
Personal.
And it's not about this case.
Madam Chair, as the bearing on this matter.
All right, Honorable Chakulan.
Thank you very much, Madam Chairperson. Madam Chair and the Commission, we filed this complaint on the 7th of December 2018 after the security agencies blocked over 20 of my music concerts, confiscated our music equipment, arrested and tortured many of our colleagues, and denied many of my people the right to earn living simply because of my political affiliation. And we are appearing before this commission this morning, more than 5 years later, Madam Chair, we had. Madam Chair, the Commission, Article 28 of what is left of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda provides for the right to a fair hearing. It provides for the person that a person shall be entitled to a fair, speedy, and public hearing before an independent and impartial court or tribunal. It is more than 5 years ago, Madam Chair, and as all of us know, justice delayed, justice denied. Madam Chairperson and members, this commission, which is empowered by the Constitution to protect the constitutional rights, is instead the one violating those rights. I mean, Madam Chair, in all fairness, how can a complaint regarding...
If that is the personal statement you are making, which is an attack on the commission, you are free to withdraw your complaint. I will not allow you to deny threats to the magistrate and to demean and to disrespect this commission. If that is the personal statement you are making, you are not going any further.
Madam Chair,
you are represented, you have to speak through your lawyers.
But you gave me a chance to speak, Madam Chair. You did not tell me what to say.
But choose this commission of violating human rights.
Madam Chair,
you will not speak any further.
You yourself, Madam Chair, came out and mocked the victims of the missing people, and
I hereby directing you to leave.
And I hereby withdraw my complaint to this commission because this commission lacks the impartiality, it lacks the independence
to hear
this
where is
case,
security?
Madam Chair. It is all right, but at least it is before the one.
I'm directing you to leave.
Yeah, it's all right. Most of life.
Security, come and take him out.
Sure, I will. I will leave, Madam Chair. But it's clear that I've withdrawn my statement because clearly you are impartial and you lack the independence to handle this. This commission is on a test to decide whether it is serving the people of Uganda or serving the interests of General Museveni and his military regime. Remember, Madam Chair, this is supposed to be the Uganda Human Rights Commission. And I wanted to go on record telling you this. Thank you.
I'm not putting any, I'm not allowing you to deny breakers.
The word had you, Madam Chair.
The complaint is dismissed.
Withdrawn, not dismissed. I can't express my rights in the Uganda Human Rights Commission.
It's not, no.
Maybe for entrance. Maybe at the entrance. Can we take the stairs? Where is it? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Just sorry. So,
a second.
Don't worry. We're gone.
Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, this morning we have withdrawn our complaint from the Uganda Human Rights Commission because it's clearly biased, it is lacking the independence and impartiality to handle this case. I filed this case on 17th December 2018, more than 5 years. They've not been giving me a chance to a hearing. And when I was given a chance to a hearing, she couldn't allow me to express myself. She couldn't allow me make a personal statement. That shows that she's biased and she's not willing to defend human rights, but she is only working to entrench General Museveni and to do anything that will preserve General Museveni's rule, even if it means empowering and protecting gross human rights violations. So for that reason, we have withdrawn our complaint from this commission because this commission is clearly lacking the impartiality and lacking the independence.
What is the message you want to
Uganda.
What is the case that you've withdrawn for someone?
We filed a case on December 17th over the violation of my rights, my right to earn a living, cancelling more than 20 of my shows, but they went ahead to cancel even many more after we filed the complaint. The complaint has never been heard. They've never given us a hearing. We complained about the enforced disappearances, but Madam Wangadia herself came out and said that the people whose families, whose spouses were demanding for are non-existent. She said they are Chiwan, And today when I was making a personal statement, she blocked me, she stopped it, clearly showing that she's biased. So for that reason and many other reasons, we had no option but to withdraw our complaint from our office because she cannot be an independent, she cannot be an impartial arbiter in this matter. Olwaleero okwemulugunya kwaffe kwe twaleeta mu kakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu emyaka egisukka mu 5 egiyise nga 17 ogw'e12/2018 olwaleero okwemulugunya kwaffe tukujeeyo omusango gwaffe tukujeeyo mu kakiiko kano kuba akakiiko mukalabira ddala kalina kyekubira. Madamu Wangadia yanga yakulira akakiiko ako avuddeyo ebiseera bingi nnyo nga ayogera mu lwatu nga boola n'okunyomola n'okuduulira abantu abawambibwako abantu baabwe ate nga akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu tekalina obbayamba. Avuddeyo ebiseera bingi ng'ayogera mu kamwa ke ng'alaga alina sayidi, naye ng'ovudde ne ku ekyo amateeka gaffe article eya 28 mu constitution eragira amakooti gonna n'obukiiko bonna buyina okumulungula obutakwatagana okuwa okuwuliza okwamangu ddala abatuuka obwenkanya eri abantu bonna balina okwemulugunya. Naye nze bukyanga ndeeta kwemulugunya kwange emyaka gigenda mu 6 gisukka mu 5 tebampa mukisa kweyogerako, ate lwe bampadde omukisa mulabye engeri gyeyisiza. So olw'ebyo n'ebirala bingi nnyo omusango gwaffe tukugiyeyo kubanga akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu si kakiiko ka ddembe ly'obuntu wabula kano akakiiko kennyini ate ke kakozesebwa okulinnyirira eddembe ly'obuntu. Twagadde tubaanike eri ensi yonna emanye nti kakiiko keekwese bwekwesi mu kulwanirira ddembe ly'abuntu naye tekalwanirira ddembe ly'abuntu, kanyigiriza ddembe ly'abuntu nga kakulemberwa omukyalo oyo Mariam Wangadia. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire.
Ekiwandiiko kirimu ensonga zonna.
Ekiwandiiko kirimu ensonga zino.
Kubanga ensonga ziweereddwa kubanga tugambye nti omusango gwajja nga tumaze emyaka kumpi 6 gwaba 2018 nga teguwulirwa. Tugamba nti kkooti ewulira ensonga z'eddembe ly'obuntu yandibadde ekolako sipiidi kusinga ne kkooti za bulijjo, naye ate waliwo era n'olaba mu kiwandiiko ebikolwa ebirala ebibi ennyo ebibaddewo ng'oggyeko n'okuyimiriza ebikolwa. Abantu bakyabuze, abantu battiddwa, abantu bafumirizibwa, abantu bakwatibwa buli lunaku. Akakiiko kasirise oba kalinga akayibalina kyekubira, n'olwekyo klanti waffe abadde alowooza era nga naffe tukirowooza nti tayinza kufuna bwenkanya mu kakiiko kano ebbanga limaze n'obbanga obubanga olwali okuwulirwa buwulizi emyaka 5 sinansala naye kulya buwulizi tulowooza nti okuba kuvoola ddembe ly'abuntu. Vic, you can give the English version and then you can give us.
So basically, you have heard from the horse's mouth. Our client has withdrawn a complaint that he filed with the Uganda Human Rights Commission more than 5 years ago on account, one, that the commission lacks impartiality and fairness to entertain this matter and deliver justice, based on the track record of the chairperson of the commission and the comments that she has been making in public regarding violation of human rights. As such, our client lost confidence in the commission and has withdrawn the complaint. Number two is that the complaint has taken more than 5 years for it to be fixed for the hearing. And like he has clearly mentioned, justice delayed is justice denied. As such, we did not see any point of going ahead in prosecuting with the complaint the fair commission that clearly lacks fairness and the ability to deliver justice.
Because they say probably security will continue.
Well, does it reach the right is already violated?
We shall continue with
We are going to
other
fight
channels.
other means.
Yes, other lawful channels.
It doesn't end with you, Charles.
And it's not about his rights as an individual, the rights of other Ugandans.
Yes, Bwemuganange eyakomedde ku Rugiro TV. Pulezidenti wa Madamu Wangadya oba akulira akakiiko ka Human Rights tamukkiriza wadde okwogera ekigambo n'ekimu, tamukkiriza wadde okwogera ekigambo n'ekimu olw'ensonga nti ayogera ensonga entuufu ate yes, mbera wetu weri Bwemuganange toyerabira subscribe our YouTube channel yaffe. Omukyala akulira akakiiko k'ebyokulonda ka Human Rights pulezidenti tamuganyiza wadde okweyogerako era abadde pulezidenti atandika okwogera n'amugamba tolina kyoŋŋamba era ensonga yo njigobye era pulezidenti omusango n'agujjayo mu human rights nga bw'obiwulidde. Sabi tuli wano ku human rights wabweru naye tugenda kuvaawo katikati. Wano tuli wano Wangadya watuula tuli wano ku human rights wabweru. Kale tumaliriza tumanyi nzo